One of US member wey they call Kochukwu don carry am come again, come dey call the names of people that betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which lead to his arrest in Kenya. I'm going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and continue. Stay tuned and watch the video.
All right, wonderful people, freedom fighters, lovers of freedom and well wishes. Another one. I am Mazi the General. I am a media personnel. I'm always here to tell you the truth, except you lack that ability to understand. Because I know that some of you, most of you are gullible. You can't even reason and understand what is obtainable. That is why I am here in a time like this to always clear your doubts, to explain so that you will understand. I have told you people that Simon Ekpa is a fraudster. Simon Ekpa is a criminal. Not only being criminal, but Simon Ekpa is a recruited agent. Simon Ekpa is a buffoon. They planted Simon Ekpa in a time like this, after kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, so that he would destroy IPOB. But little did he know, he don't have an idea that it's people like us here, waiting to take bullet any angle, waiting to take the hit. That is why whenever I explain, you pay attention and listen every word from my mouth. Because everything that I speak is a gospel. I know some of you won't believe what I'm saying, but that is why I keep on bringing it to your notice and always bring out the video so that you yourself will listen and understand and begin to connect the dots. But I know the sense is not common. When we call common sense, you think that sense is common. I will tell you the problem that we have on IPOB after the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It was a game plan for them so that they can be able to collapse, because they see that we have been doing something, trying to use the gospel truth to balkanize, to cease Nigeria to exist, to end that contraption. People have been seeing it. Go and ask Lai Mohammed, the former information minister of Buhari. He will told you how much they spent to destroy IPOB, but they couldn't. Now, they use the format of Gowon. What Gowon told them, that if he knew, he would never go for a war. But he's going to use our people, or people, ladder, people that are speaking the same language with us, to come and penetrate us. That is exactly what they are using. That is why I'm telling you people, stop calling Simon Ekpa my brother. Stop calling Simon Ekpa Igbo man. I have told you people, go and make your research, then you will understand. The worst thing that happens to this struggle is Nelly Ofebu, Bridget Okafo, Oyibo, Rabbit Shas, Fado Dumegwa. All these people that I mentioned their name, you people don't even know them. I am here from the day one. And the next one is Nnamdi, the overall finance of IPOB. That is why I said there is a lot of questions to ask. You people are not asking that question. Now, let me tell you about Simon Ekpa being a criminal and fraudster, an impersonator. That is who he is. But today, some of them are saying they want to protect their own structure as autopilot now. But I'm telling them, do you think it's going to work? One person like me is here. Nelly Ofebu is the first root of our problem. After the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because Nelly Ofebu also want to take over. You know, in my next video, I will tell you people why Nelly Ofebu was doing what he's doing. So he went to go and join Simon Ekpa to destroy IPOB. Now, they brought out our account. You will hear, I don't want to speak too much here, but you will hear what Nelly Ofebu said here. Then I want you to put on comment section who Simon Ekpa is. This guy is not a member. This guy is not an old member. This guy just jumped out from nowhere. But because Umuakata called themselves Umuada in America, was projecting Simon Ekpa so that they can be evil. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told them that if our women join this struggle, that Biafra will come so quick. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don't even know that time that he said so. That is when the Nigerian agent used those women to penetrate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is why they said that they gave us $100,000, which is fake money, audio money. That is when they penetrate. That is when they come. And they push Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go to Kenya. They are those people that tell Mazi now or told Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go to Kenya. After the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, took him back to Nigeria, have you heard anything from Bridget Okafor? The answer is no. Have you heard anything from Oyibo? No. Ndidi Amaka? No. Rosemary? No. Rabbit Shas? No. Father Dummeba? No. Nelly Ofebu now have gone to, I don't know where she went to, nowhere to be found as it stands today. All of them have vanished. All of them, they were calling Onion Dumo, I will do this. All of them have vanished. But I want you people to pay this. And the one that remaining, before I drop, Nen Nayanya, a very, very wicked species, and a very, very high, intensive, stark illiterate. They use it as our finance head. And some people were laughing. A non-entity. Somebody that don't even understand the ethics of movement. People that believe that we are in a very, high movement like this, and they believe is the brother or sister of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the one that are going to continue. Are you now seeing the illiteracy and the idiocy in that woman called finance? Now pay attention and listen very attentively.
Mind that Simon is an internet fraudster. He knows, how to do stuff like that. He cornered this man, and he's the one that has the passport. That's why they removed Madam Ojibo. And then he was now able to hand over the administration of the website to Simon Ella. And they removed Umweri account and put their new account. So if I didn't start screaming, people will be paying in, thinking they are paying to Umweri account without knowing they are paying to Simon's account. So they did it quietly, nobody would have known. So as soon as I realized they took a Umweri account, that's when I started screaming. Because they wanted to do it smoothly. So when you come to the website, now, remember you don't see account number. You come to the website, you're paying. You will be thinking you're paying into Umweri account without knowing that you're paying into their account. Because they kept announcing that it's been hijacked and pay to the website. It's still the same website. He didn't develop his own website. Simon didn't develop his own website. It was still Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's website. And that's when I started looking into it and found out that they took away Umweri account and Simon inserted his own account using the women as a cover. The women did this, the women did that. Now he's talking about 1,000 men. He is the only one that is getting the information of the 1,000 men. He's telling them to send it to the female, and he will now add them to the 1,000 men. And they will be paying, they won't even know that the account is insane man. So he wanted people to be paying without knowing that they are not paying into Umweri account. And that is why I started raising the alarm. And that is why he now came up and said, yes, he took a Umweri account and added his account. What is the account? Who is the signature to the account? Can you, even if you don't bring it out,
my wonderful people, I want you to drop your own opinion in this video and also share the video. When I don't hear them, don't forget to see there for Pump Info News here where would they bring you Ogbonge news as it they happen. Stay tuned and share.